Good day everyone. For this video, we Group 1 is to explain to you how to design performance tasks. Because in today's lessons, we will tackle the step in designing performance tasks in order for us to have an effective and have to knowledge about our topic. But before that, I would like to explain to you what is a performance task. A performance task is any learning activity or assessment that asks students to perform to demonstrate their knowledge, understanding, and proficiency. And now, we have a 7-step to how to create a designing a performance task. So, let's go! Okay, so the step 1 is to identify the learning objective or standard. We have to determine what you want students to learn or demonstrate. This could be a specific skill, concept, or standard from your curriculum. So it means before planning a lessons, assignments, or assessment, educators must clearly define what they want students to learn or demonstrate. So, what is the knowledge, skill, or ability should students gain? What is this learning important? For example, when you are teaching elementary mathematics, it is a skill-based objective. So, for example, the objective is students will be able to use multiplications and division within 100 to solve word problems in measurement quantities. So what is the effective? Because the objective have clearly states what students will do. So the objective have they clarify how to use multiplications and divisions to and have specifies the range. The range is within 100 to solve word problems. And this is aligns with a curriculum standard that we must to do when you are creating objectives. And you are number 1 is identify the learning objective or the standard. Okay? Okay. The next one is choose a real-world context. To ensure the task is authentic and relevant to real-world situations, this helps students see the practical applications of what they are learning. So which means that when designing a lessons or assessment, incorporating real-world context makes learning more meaningful and engaging for students. It allows them to connect academic concept to practical situations they may encounter outside the classroom. This approach enhances motivations, improve retentions, and helps students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. So, for example, when we have a task or activities, which is this is science, no? Environmental studies. So, this is according to real-world context. So, the task is students analyze local water pollution levels and propose solutions. So, the connections is to show how chemistry and environmental science affect community health. So this is the big help for those students, to design a performance task, to have to accurate, to have a effective performance task, So this is the step 2 is to show a real world context. Understand? Okay, understand.
So hi guys, in this part, we'll tackle about the third and fourth step of designing a performance task. So the third step is define the task, which means clearly outline what students need to do, use a specific language, and provide necessary background information. So that means in designing performance tasks, we need to define the task to be easy to understand and clear for the students. We need to engage their. We need to give them an information and instruction that is and specific and clear for the students. So in that case, we'll avoid the misunderstanding of the students. So the fourth step is the establish clear criteria for success. This means developing a rubric or checklist that define what constitutes successful performance. This would align with the learning objectives. So this part, establishing clear criteria or for success, we need to when designing a performance task, from the word performance, it means it is a performing task. So it needs a criteria so that the grading system will be fair and reliable for the students. And it is not subjective. Before the performance, we need to establish their criteria for them to have an idea of what they're going to do and which part of the performance will they focus and enhance to have much higher points for the performance task. And that's all for the 3 and 4th step.
So here we are now in step 5 on how to create a designing performance task. Step 5, provide necessary and resource and support. Ensure students have access to any materials or tools they need to complete the task. In regards to performance tasks, they equip students with necessary information and support to make sure they finish the task. Among them include access to reference materials, technology, and tools that are inherently important. They should give clear direction, instruction, and step into parts which aid student in knowing what is expected. They could provide examples, rubrics, and feedbacks as supports to make a safe space where students feel safe to ask questions, encourage better engagement and completion of the task.
Plan for feedback and evaluation. It means decide how you will assess student performance and provide feedback. This could involve peer review, self-assessment, or teacher evaluation. So when we say plan for feedback and evaluation, this is think about how you will assess your student work and help them to improve. You can try peer review, where they are give feedback to each other, or self-assessment, where they evaluate their own work. Of course, as a teacher, you can also provide feedback to highlight what they did or what they can improve.
At ang panghuli ay isang offer student's choice. Bakit nga ba ito kinakailangan upang bumuo ng isang performance task? Ito ay kinakailangan sapagkat hindi kaya ng isang estudyante na bumuo ng sariling desisyon kasi hindi niya alam kung ito nga ba ay epektibo o hindi. At hindi rin sapat ang ideya na meron ng isang estudyante. Kaya kinakailangan na magbigay ang isang guro ng iba't ibang estratehiya o iba't ibang ideya kung paano nga ba ang isang performance task na maging epektibo at maganda ang kinalabasan. Kinakailangan rin na ikonsidera ng ating guro na kung tayo ba ay o ang mga estudyante ba ay magaling dito o hindi. Yun lamang. Sa buuan, ang isang design ng performance task ay isang paraan upang tayo ay bumuo ng isang makatotohanan at makabuluhang hamon para sa mga estudyante upang malaman natin kung hanggang saan na nga ba ang kanilang kaya o hanggang saan nga ba ang kanilang kaalaman. Hinahanda rin natin sila upang maging handa sa hinaharap.